Hello everyone, welcome to second tutorial of SAP Business One SDK add-on development. Let me tell you what is the today's topic. So today we will create a new solution, and through which, as in my previous video I have told you that we will connect our solution with SAP Business One, and I will do most of the thing manually to show you how can you do. So let me start. So first let me log in into SAP Business One so that our SAP Business One instance will run, and then through code, through our solution, we can connect with this. So run as administrator. Yes. Login. Open Visual Studio. New project. So here we will take console application. We are putting name as my first application. Okay, then okay. In this tutorial, as I have discussed, I'm going to do each and everything from the scratch. So the first thing you will have to add in your solution, that is SAP Business One UI API and SAP Business One DI API. So you will have to put the references for that, because earlier I have told you that through these API we are developing the add-ons. So let me get the reference, put here SAP, and you will see these two APIs. This is the latest one APIs so far, so you can add it. Yes, it's done. So this is the first activity we have done, and the second activity is to put the command line arguments into the solution properties and build tab. So here you will have to put the command line arguments, as I have told you earlier while explaining the SAP Business One's Hello World sample code. So let me copy from there. I'm going to that part. This is the SDK part. From here you can copy. If you have installed in your laptop or computer, then you can get from there. Put it here and save it and close this one. So we have done second point, and the third point is to create the another CS class in which we will write our business logic. So let's do it. I'm putting the name business logic. Edit. I have done it with. So here you will write each and everything related to SAP Business One. This class is for, let me change this name, start one. Startup. Yes. And here okay, here we will write all the logic of SAP Business One. So let me call this object in a startup. Go to this part and let me write the constructor here. Which, and further, because we are not going to do different thing, we are going to just connect with SAP Business One and pop up the message hello world. So I'm not going to write each and everything because it will take time. So let me copy it from SAP Business One sample code. So I'm going to copy this one file, CS file, C, and paste. Let me paste whole. I have done it. We'll change the name as logic. So we have done three things. One, we have added references of SAP UI API and DI API. The second thing is we have put the connection string parameter into the solution properties and build tab of the command line arguments. So third one, what we are doing, we are calling the business logic from the main function. As you all know, the starting point of .NET application is the main function. So we have done it, and this will call to the constructor of business logic class. So go to definition. We will come here, and as I have earlier explained you set application part what it is doing, let me explain briefly. So it is creating SBO GUI API object and then getting command line arguments from the solution and then connecting with the SAP Business One running instance. And once it has been done, it is also creating SBO application object through the help of SBO GUI API. So once this part completed, it will finally pop up the message with on SAP UI interface. So let me run this application and see what will happen. Let me check out my SAP Business One running or not. It's running. So let me connect it and see what will happen. A black screen will come because it's a console application. Let me debug it and run it again, so I can explain you step by step. So firstly, the debugger will come to the main function and it go to the business logic. As I have told, this is the constructor of the business logic class, and it will call set application, creating SBO GUI API object here and getting connection string. You can see it's coming, and then moving to the connection part of the SBUG API. This connect function connect with SAP Business One, and it has been completed because so far we have not any exception. So at the end of the line, it is creating SBU application and coming back to the constructor and popping up the message in SAP Business One. So let me see that's here, you can see. So we have successfully done each and everything, and I have explained each and everything step by step, and you can see the hello world pop-up message connected with SAP Business One running instance, and you can see here. Thanks for watching. In next tutorial we will create an add-on and will deploy in SAP Business One. Thank you.